Hi, I'm Vinay and I'm the co-founder of Systematic Solutions. We develop cloud-hosted mobile application for hotels and restaurants and offer end-to-end solution under SaaS model. Using our apps, guests can see all hotel services and order directly from the app. Guests can explore services via pictures, videos, or 360-degree virtual tours, make bookings and reservations, see digital menus, order food and other services, and do lots more via these apps. Mobile apps are great marketing tools for the hospitality industry to drive revenue by increasing direct bookings, orders, and promotions. Hotel staff can get alerts on their mobile regarding services requested by the guests and close the request almost instantly. Whereas hotel management can track the staff performance on daily, weekly, and monthly basis through our CMS dashboard. Hoteliers can customize almost every element of our mobile app in no time. They can apply hotel theme including logo, background, promote hotel services, push advertisement in just one click. With this, the problems that we are trying to solve is that hospitality industry is continuously struggling to improve quality of service for guests while maintaining its current margin. Our current customers are extremely happy with this app as this has helped them to improve guest experience while reducing time to serve. This app is also working as a platform to drive engagement along with opportunities to cross-sell and upsell their services within or outside hotel premises. Our target customers include star hotels and restaurants across the globe who are willing to adapt technology solutions to improve guest experience. We are currently working with more than 10 hotels worldwide. Systematic works with many major brands. Some of them include Sarovar, Royal Orchid, Madhuban Resorts, Deer Food, Boulevard 9, and so on. Apart from this, just a few things to mention. Systematic has won Most Innovative Product Award at Travel and Tourism Fair. It's incubated at Tata Elxsi Incubate, Bangalore. We are also incubated at DMZ, a joint venture between BSC India and Raresen Canada. We are a part of NASSCOM 10,000 startup and we are also featured on TechCrunch. A year back, we also won a Rackspace 24K program. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.